We're going to have a look at two examples of how to solve equations using the balance method. So for our first one, we can see on the scales that they're perfectly balanced. The mass on this side is equal to the mass on that side. Because that's the case, then we can write an equation. We can say the mass on that side is equal to, so we've got two of the unknown masses, so 2 lots of m, 2 times m, and then an extra 7. Now if we're going to solve this equation, then what we want is we want to just have one of the unknown masses and see what mass on the other side balances it. So the first thing to do is we want to take off this 7. So to keep it balanced, we need to do the same to both sides. And using our equation, we can see that if we take that 7 off, we're left with just 2m on this side. Remember, it's the opposite operation, so that cancels the adding 7, just leaves us with that. And a simple sum, 35 takes 7. Now, we can imagine on the scales we've just got the 2 m's left, and they're balanced perfectly by the 28. So what would balance 1m? Well, since the m's are both the same, if we could cut the 28 in half, what would that be? Well, to cut in half, that means divide by 2. And so on this side we've just got the m, and on this side for 28 divided by 2, that's right, 14. So the unknown mass is 14. Let's have a look at another example. So on this one we've got a division, but it's perfectly balanced, it's equal. So as long as we do whatever we do on one side, we do it to the other, then it will stay balanced. So first of all, we've got this subtract 3. To cancel that out, we need to do the opposite operation, but with the same number. Opposite of subtract is add. Same to both sides. So on the right side, we've now got 4. Cancels out, leaves us with just m divided by 6. Now, if we've just got 1/6 part of m, how many of those would it take to make a whole one? Well, we need 6/6 to make a whole, so we need to multiply by 6. So notice that here it's being divided by 6. Just to get m, we do the opposite operation. Leaves us with m there. So we've got 4 on the right hand side, times that by 6, and that gives us our answer. The unknown mass is 24.